Welcome to channel Ngetrip Santuy Bali. Please follow dan subscribe channel ini. Bantu like, komen, dan share ya semua. Terima kasih.
It's Thomas. Where you from?
I'm from Poland.
What do you mean?
Poland.
Poland. Oh,
Yeah.
Poland.
The same flag, which is upside down. You know?
Okay. Oh yeah. In Poland, you have a language. Poland. The language Poland.
It's
Like-
Polish.
What do you mean?
Polish. The language is Polish.
French.
Polish.
Polish.
Yeah.
Oh, Poland. Oh.
Yeah, you probably didn't hear about it.
Okay. Maybe in your language, you say the thank you. What do you say?
Dziękuję.
Jikuria.
Yeah, dziękuję. It's thank you.
Okay, Jikuria. Okay.
Do
Maybe.
you like football?
Yeah, football.
Yeah, do you like?
Yeah, football. Yeah.
Do you know Robert Lewandowski?
Who is that?
Do you know that?
Oh.
Him?
It's striker now.
Yeah, he's very famous.
Oh, it works in Poland.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Yeah.
Do you remember the Pope? There was Pope John Paul II.
Okay.
Remember him? No.
Oh yeah, maybe I know.
How old are you?
I am 19.
90, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you don't remember.
No, not 19. 29.
29.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
Thank you.
sorry. Yeah, 29. Are you?
I am 32.
Oh, 32. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Yeah. Because I'm YouTube learning for the meet people learning for English country.
Yeah, very
Maybe
nice.
yeah, maybe like Italy, France, Russia, Spanyol, so.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
When I'm gonna drop off, when you at my place,
Yeah.
you can just give me your name and I will take.
Okay. Alright. Yes. Make famous.
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you from Bali?
Yeah, from Bali, from here. Yeah. And
Like
then,
it?
yeah, really. In the Poland, it's good morning. What you say?
Good morning is Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Yeah, the dzień is a day.
Yeah.
You know, like
Dzień is day,
Like
yeah.
day it's dzień.
Dzień, yeah.
And then it's dobre, it's good. So it's
Oh,
dzień
dobre.
dobry.
Yeah,
good
dobre.
day.
Okay, good day. Maybe dobre is like Russia. Dobre.
Yeah. Our
Yeah, and then
might be a bit sound a bit similar, you know.
yeah, and then for Bulgaria, dobre one, dobre.
Yeah, exactly. You know, they are very similar.
Yeah,
Like,
dobre. Yeah, familia dobre.
yeah.
Okay.
So then also, do you know how to say, you know, like cheers?
Cheers,
You know,
yeah.
When you
Cheers.
in Polish, it's probably if you know Russian, then it's like na zdrowie.
What do you mean?
Na zdrowie.
No, Slovenia.
Na zdrowie. Yeah.
Oh yeah, maybe in the another country, salud.
Yeah, exactly.
Salud. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you for learning it.
No.
Yeah. And then for goodbye. Poland.
Bye, it is do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Do
Do widzenia.
do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.
Do
Do
widzenia.
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 Yeah.
Do widzenia. Okay. Do
Like,
widzenia.
the next, I see you next time.
Okay, alright. So, that's the new language. The new language. Do you, how many languages you know?
Just English
English, Poland,
and Polish.
Polish,
And I'm learning Norwegian.
what do you mean?
I'm learning Norwegian.
Region.
Norwegian, yes. You know what Norway is?
Yeah, oh, I don't know.
Like Scandinavia.
Oh, yeah.
Lapland.
Lapland. Oh, yeah, maybe I know. Oh, just read.
Vikings. No, Vikings.
Oh, picking, yeah?
Yeah, so this is the land of Vikings.
Okay, alright. Only three, yeah?
Yeah?
Only three languages.
Yeah, only? I think it's enough. You know,
Oh,
English is
yeah.
important. That makes you can communicate in English.
Okay, alright, yeah.
Then to how many languages do you know then?
Maybe I know Italy, Spanyol, French, Bulgaria, Sweden. Sweden, and then what is it? Kazakhstan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Kazakhstan.
How does how it happen that you know so many languages?
Yeah, if you thank you for Kazakhstan, it's Rahmet. And then Spanyol, gracias.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Italy, grazie.
Oh, yeah.
And French, merci.
That's true.
Yeah, and then for you, Bali language,
Yes.
Suksuma.
What?
Suksuma.
Suksuma?
Yeah, if you,
Thank you.
yeah, if you meet Balinese people,
Hmm.
you say Suksuma.
Suksuma.
Yeah, it's the thank you.
Alright, and then I hear sometimes people say like
Yeah, you can say Suksuma.
Suksuma.
Ah,
Very nice.
very nice. Okay, you're learning now.
And then it's like sama-sama, something like this.
Yeah, sama-sama is Bali. Oh yeah, sama-sama Indonesia. You're welcome. You know sama-sama?
Yeah, that's what I
Alright.
say.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, you see?
Okay. And then Russia, спасибо.
Yes, exactly.
Спасибо. Russia. Maybe after this, you can find my channel, eh?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Okay, and then follow, and then make famous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when did you start your YouTube channel? When did you
Yeah.
start?
Maybe I'm newbie.
You
Yeah,
alright.
newbie.
At that time.
Yeah. I hope make famous.
Yeah, you will. If you want, you will.
Okay. And then I met China people and then Korea, South Korea. In China, 谢谢. Thank you.
Yeah, how?
谢谢.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can say 谢谢 for China.
Oh, that's nice.
And then Korea, 감사합니다.
Oh, yeah.
감사합니다. Yeah. I'm learning a lot language. Oh. And then for the Turkey,
Mm-hmm.
it's a club.
What?
It's
Oh,
very,
no,
very
I-
hard.
yeah, yeah.
It's a color.
I will not repeat that.
It's a Turkey language. It's a color.
Very hard.
Very hard, brother. Oh my god. Maybe the French very hard French. It's goodbye French.
Yeah.
Auf Wiedersehen.
No, auf Wiedersehen is
Ah.
German.
Oh, you German. Oh yeah. Oh, you know
Huh?
German. Oh, no French, yeah.
No, France is
Oh, it's German. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. I forget. German.
Yeah.
Oh, you know German.
German is
Danke.
no, German is country next to Poland. You know,
Oh,
it's our
next.
neighbor.
Oh, it's okay. You neighbor, eh?
Yeah, that's why you see, I know some more.
Oh, you know donkey.
What?
Donkey.
Danke.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
the
like
thank you.
Yeah,
donkey.
Alright.
Donkey. You know language German?
What?
You know language German?
Just a bit. Just a little.
Oh, little bit. Maybe like a good touch.
With the touch?
Yeah, good touch.
Yeah,
Good touch. Good abet.
You know, man.
Yeah. And the choose. You know
Yes,
choose?
yes, excellent, right?
Yeah, it's bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you're good. You're
Okay. I'm learning.
Yeah.
If I meet people, I'm learning. Only basic.
And that's already a lot.
Oh, yeah. Do you have Instagram, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
YouTube?
YouTube to have? Okay.
No, YouTube I just watch, I guess.
No, it's no problem. You can subscribe.
Yeah. I can, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Only subscribe.
Of course. I will.
How long you stay in Bali?
I came in the beginning of January and
Okay,
I'm
then?
staying till March.
March. Oh, 3 months.
2 months, no, 2 months.
2
I'm
months.
leaving in the beginning of March. So
Oh,
it's,
yeah. Oh,
January and February.
okay. Only 2 months. Alright. Thank you for coming, Bali.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
felt like I had to come,
Okay. Oh, you first time you come?
Huh?
Oh no, first time you come in Bali? No.
What?
First time.
First time.
First time.
First time.
Oh, okay. First time in
But
Bali.
I hope it's not the last one.
Oh yeah, alright. If you go to Bali again, maybe you can touch me in Instagram. Alright, brother.
Very good.
I'm working in the Japanese restaurant in Kuta.
Oh, it's good one?
Yeah, it's my my first job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you work a lot?
Yeah, it's my second job. Grab. Because I am day off in the restaurant, I am Grab now. A lot working.
Yes, you? At
Oh.
work all the time?
Yeah, hard working.
Oh my god.
I am day off, I Grab. Oh my god. If you go to Kuta,
Kuta?
yeah,
Mhm.
Kuta. you can come to my restaurant in Aprilis. It's Japanese food.
So you are working good out.
Yeah, it's Japanese restaurant.
Alright.
You like Japanese food? No.
Yeah, I like all of the food.
Yeah, it's that like salmon sashimi, salmon sushi. Yeah, it's one, Japanese.
Do you like sushi?
Yeah, very very fresh.
What do you like from Malaysian food? What do you like more?
I the pig.
Pig?
Yeah. In Bali, babi guling.
Mm-hmm.
You can try babi guling. It's very nice color.
Barbecue?
Yeah, you can find or Google or something. Babi guling.
Yeah, alright.
You try.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's the local food Bali. Bali babi guling.
Barbecue.
It's pig. You like pig?
Yeah, I like all of it. I like everything, you know?
Yeah, it's pig. Oh my god. Pig and you get the skid pig. It's very nice. Oh. This.
And you know Malaysian coffee because it's very specific, like Bali coffee, you know?
Yeah.
You know, like it's almost the same as Polish coffee.
Polish coffee?
Yeah, we almost just take the coffee and you pour hot water to it,
Yeah.
and then you have a coffee.
Oh,
thank you.
Yeah. Oh my god. How many people you come in Bali?
What?
How many people you come?
I mean, I came alone,
A lot. Oh.
but then first month I was in Nusa Lembonga.
Only Talempongan? Then?
Yes, and I did the yoga teacher training.
Oh, yoga teacher. Alright.
Yes.
You know asana, yeah?
Yes, I did
Asana.
Ashtanga, Asana,
Pranayama.
Yes, Pranayama, exactly.
Okay, brother.
Do you? Like yoga?
No, I don't know.
Why?
No, I'm busy.
I don't know.
Yeah, because I am very, very busy. Every day.
Yeah.
Only working.
So then, you know, I was there for 1 month and I met two friends and we hang out here.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. Very quiet.
What?
Very quiet.
Very quiet.
You don't go to Canggu, no? Canggu?
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about it.
Oh,
Do
Canggu.
you recommend?
If you like busy, you go to Canggu.
I don't like this.
Canggu very, very busy.
Easier than.
Very busy. Yeah, very busy. Oh my god. Because Canggu have a club.
What's
The club. The club.
yeah,
Nightclub. Yeah, very, very busy. In Canggu now is very, very.
Yeah, so no, I don't.
Ubud is quiet.
Oh, really? For me, food is already very busy.
Yeah, if you go to Canggu now, it's very busy.
No.
Oh my god.
I don't.
If you want to go, yeah, you only see the traffic like this. Oh my god. Yeah.
And Uluwatu, what about?
Oh yeah, Uluwatu good. Maybe Uluwatu very far. So
Yeah.
far. Wow. It's the corner Bali. Uluwatu, mana? Uluwatu is corner Bali.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. If you go to Uluwatu, you see the monkey.
Oh yeah, I so want to stay in.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Scotland. Yeah.
If you go to Uluwatu, you see the monkey again.
Yeah.
The monkey very, very angry.
Oh, very.
Oh
no.
my god.
So they can bite.
Yeah, it's dangerous. Oh, yeah. You have stab, monkey is sick. Very dangerous. Wheel back. No way. This one under right hand. Yeah, sorry. Oh my god. And it's still busy.
It's busy.
Yeah, better the power. Oh, the power test. Maybe wait moment. Alright. This one, yeah? Alright. Yeah. Yo. Oh, very quiet.
So what do you do in your free time?
What I mean?
What do you do in your free time when you
Every
go to
time.
work?
Maybe just no. I'm only walking.
Oh, what? Only working?
Yeah, only walking, brother.
Oh my God.
Because I get married.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Yeah, I have one little princess.
What do you have?
Little princess.
Oh, that's
Newborn.
Is she older than you or younger than you?
This my
How old is she?
is 6 months.
Alright.
Newborn.
Oh, new one.
Yeah, newborn. 6 months.
Alright.
Yeah, and then make money. Money. Oh my God.
But you have to make a time for her.
Yeah, maybe only morning.
Only morning.
Yeah.
And then after work.
And then walk.
Oh my God.
Because before married,
Mm-hmm.
oh, I go to everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Clubbing or drunk. Oh my God. Oh yes, really drunk, clubbing. And now get married, only home, walking.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
very.
know that life is changing, you know, all the time.
Life is changing. Oh God.
There was time for partying, now it's time for work.
Yeah. Every day before I get married,
Mhm.
I go to every time go to the clubbing.
Mhm.
Lamba Vela.
Every day?
Yeah, every day. Lamba Vela. Smola. This is Minyak. Clubbing.
When did you party? In Canggu or in Canggu?
No, it's Minyak. So Minyak.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Not in Canggu.
It's nice there?
Mega. It's Minyak night. Maybe you like clubbing?
Well, you know, when I was younger, yes, I'm really partying.
Oh my God, man.
Yeah, you know, I'm 22, you know.
Oh, no problem. Very younger. All the
Yeah,
time.
but you know, it's that's
Ah.
I'm not very party.
Yeah.
But yeah, then so where do you live now with party? Like in Ubud or?
No, in Kramas, Gianyar.
Right.
In Norway,
So yeah,
30 minutes from my home in Ubud.
I see.
Okay.
All right, this is my place.
This one?
This is my place.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Only this one.
Yeah, I think I somewhere here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I know the area.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
You can say goodbye.
Yeah, yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Eric. And
Thank you very much.
Follow, find my
Yeah,
channel, brother.
and just write me your
Instagram.
You can write on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
And then Instagram, yeah?
Yes.
This one. Oh. You have this one?
Yeah, I have
Internet?
this 1 second the internet. We will also do the
You can screenshot. Okay.
Yeah. The same on
The same.
Instagram.
Yeah, the same. That's exactly right.
Yes. All right.
Like this, brother. You can screenshot.
Yeah, I will.
This one, like this, brother. This one. Like this. This one. This one. Oh my God.
All right.
Yeah, this
I
one.
got it.
Oh, this one, like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Very
thank you,
nice.
brother.
Yes,
See you, brother.
Thank you. All the best for you.
Thank you for bye-bye ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa follow dan subscribe ya. See you next video.